So for today we have a broken ALV module or AES. So it's already opened. As you can see, it has 4 screws, bolts, one here, it's already take it out. So just go with a screw and clockwise open it. Take it out. The same on this side. For me it's much easier now because it's, like I said, it's already open. So, I want to show you what is broken. Here is a small screw that you can use Torx to open. So here is a screw. You can use Torx 10. So you can already see that on this side is black. Okay, as we can see, this small motor, it is already black. So this can be fixed like changing this motor or coding new module with a bypass one. Yeah, okay, thank you. That's all that I want to show you to know what is broken. As you can see, when this one is broken, it will be stuck, so can be in a lock position, or if you are lucky enough, can be in an open position. So lock position is like that, on steering column, unlock position, lock position, and when it's on lock position, this screw cannot be pushed down. Unlock, this one is going easy up. So that is for today. Thank you very much.